Hi everyone, my name is Thomas LeBlanc and welcome to my course, Data Literacy, Understanding Data Warehousing with Azure. I am a data solutions architect residing in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I manage the storage of data and help get data to end users. That is a daily part of my job and I love it. Azure has brought data warehousing to a new level called the Modern Data Warehouse, and this has given us a multitude of opportunities as data professionals. In this course, we're going to cover data warehousing services provided by the Azure Cloud Platform. Some are like the traditional data warehouses we have been building over the years or decades, and others are to help speed up getting data to end users. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure Data Factory and Synapse Analytics, Azure Databricks, and Azure Analysis Services and Power BI. By the end of this course, you'll know where to store data warehouse data for fastest retrieval, where to run analytical processing, and the go-to service for creating machine learning models. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with data warehousing concept, structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, as well as Azure fundamentals. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the modern data warehouse with data literacy, understanding data warehousing with Azure course at Pluralsight.